Hey Joe might sound big and iconic, but the chord progression is beautifully simple, which makes it a brilliant quick win for beginners. And the great thing is, it's the same chord progression all the way through using 5 beginner major guitar chords. So with that chord progression, we can do some serious rhythm guitar practice to stop it feeling like a boring piece of chord practice. And what we can do through each different verse is jazz up the strumming pattern each and every time. And doing this with songs that use the same chord progression for the whole song will greatly improve your rhythm guitar playing. Now I'm doing those patterns over just these lyrics here, but you could do them over each new verse section. So one pattern, one verse, second pattern, second verse, etc., etc. The chords are like this. We've got C and G in one bar. So half bars of C, half bar of G. Then we have the second bar is half a bar of D, half a bar of A. And then we have 2 bars of E major. So there we have 5 chords, C, A, G, E, D. Okay, so the first pattern, we are strumming only on the first and third beats, right? So first and third beat. So get your guitar and join in with me. Here we go. And we'll go around it 2 times. First, just the chords, and the second time we will sing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, let's sing it. Hey Joe, where you going with that gun in your hand? That's quite a nice little bit of strumming there, isn't it? It's quite nice, it's simple, but it's effective. Now the second pattern, we're continuing with just the downstrokes, okay? And so we are now playing all 4 beats of the bar, okay? And it's going like this, join in, we'll do it once, and then we'll sing it the second time round. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's sing. 3, 4. Hey Joe, where you going with that gun in your hand? Let me just break in here for a second. I just want to let you know that I do one-on-one online classes with a learning platform called Till. Description has all the information, and the description is just down there below the like and subscribe button. Thank you. So those first 2 patterns, they were just down all the way through. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to have down, up, down, up. Right, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like that, okay? And we'll do the same thing, right? We will do once round, and the second time we will sing. I hope you're singing there. Are you singing that first verse? I really hope so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going with that gun in your hand. Now let's have a look at the last pattern that I played, and this is the one I love this one here. And this is all down. I love this, I think it's fantastic. And right, once again, we'll do one time round, just strumming, and second time we will be singing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Going with that gun in your hand. So let's have a go at the whole thing, shall we? We're going to go around the verse over and over again, and I think I'm going to try and change the lyrics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey Joe, where you going with that gun in your hand? Hey Joe, said, where you going with that gun in your hand? Going out to shoot my old lady. You know I caught her messing around with another man. And we've just looked at 4 common strumming patterns that you could use with Hey Joe. So not only have you learned Hey Joe, but you've also been working on your strumming hand and your rhythm guitar work. If you enjoyed this and want more super simple guitar songs, then I've got a playlist right here full of them. Why don't you pick one and I'll see you there. Thanks for joining me today and happy strumming.